and it's a graveyard smash. You'll catch on in a flash.
Hi guys, it's Cheyenne. These bangs are giving me a lift, so maybe I should take them off. I'm gonna take them off. Much better. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this monster makeup tutorial, and I actually wanted to make this monster makeup because Etude House has kindly sent me this, the Monster Cleansing Water Duo Specialist. So in here there are two limited edition oil cleanser water and a micellar cleansing water. So let me take it out for you. So this is the oil cleansing water with the orange monster, and the micellar cleansing water with the green monster. So they're not new products, they've already been out for a very long time. It's just that this is like a Halloween special, so they have a different packaging. And the coolest thing about these is that they glow in the dark. Like legit, it glows in the dark. Also, Etude House has given me this cute little headband. Look at it, it's so cute. It's the oil cleansing water, the orange one, and these horns are so cute. Look at them. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to be doing a demo of the oil cleansing water on half of my face, so you can see how effectively it cleans makeup. These two, both of them together, cost 80 ringgit and 50 cents, and this little headband cost 24 ringgit. So there's actually another version of the headband. There is also the green monster one, but I prefer the orange monster because her horns are cuter. So yeah. Also, these products aren't gonna be here for long. They are until stocks last, and you better go down to Etude House, either Sunway Pyramid or Sunway Velocity, to grab them. Or maybe I can do a giveaway with them. I don't know. If you guys want to, I can perhaps grab it for you and make a giveaway. Who knows? So if you want to know this look, just keep on watching.
First, I'm going to use the Face Blur Primer to blur out my pores, and I'm going to be applying it on my T-zone and where my pores are. Next, I'm just going to apply my base, my foundation, and my concealer as usual, but I'm going to put my concealer on top of my brows because I will be painting them a different color. Using the Gradation contour wheel to contour the sides of my face and my nose. The Caffeine Holic palette, I'm going to use the orange shade to draw out my eyebrow. I'm using the darker shade to draw out my tail and draw out little feathery strokes. Now I'm going to use all the matte shades. I'm going to use from lightest to darkest, and I'm just going to layer these shades together so that it has a nice gradient blur effect. Now I'm going to use a black eyeshadow to deepen my crease. Next, I'm going to put concealer and draw out my cut crease. Next, I'm going to use the Play 101 pencil in number 36. It's a beautiful shiny teal color, and I'm going to put this on top of my eyes where I put my concealer. Also, I'm going to use my black eyeshadow and smoke everything out. Next, I'm using the Mirror Holic in Crystal Shoes, and I'm going to put it over where I put the blue. Now I'm using my eyeliner. I'm just following the shape of my eye bag, and from there, I am just drawing the shape of my wing going upwards. I'm just going to fill it up. Using the white crayon pencil, I am just going to line my waterline and make my eyes look bigger by following the shape of my eye bag, so that I have a new under eye line. Now I'm using the same brown shades that I used on the top of my eyes at the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm dipping into Spangle Dressroom. I'm going to take the shade Twinkle. I'm going to use it to highlight my tear duct and my brow bone. Just put on a pair of big lashes. I forgot to put the blue liner on the bottom, so let me do this. Now I am using the cookie blusher in the shade Red Grapefruit Pudding, and I'm using it to blush up my face. I'm going to put it on my cheekbones, my nose, and on my lips. Okay, let me show you something cool. So you can sharpen your 101 pencils. So just take off the behind part and you can sharpen it and use it as a lip liner. These Play 101 pencils are really smooth and creamy, and they are super multi-use, so you can use them on your lips, eyes and cheeks. Now I'm using my liquid liner. I'm going to be drawing out a little ghost on my mouth first, and I'm going to be drawing a boo. Make sure the text is mirrored. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording at this point, so I'm sorry for that. And now I'm going to use the highlight shade from my Spangle Dressroom palette, and the look is complete!
Okay, so now I'm gonna demo to you the Monster Oil Cleansing Water. So this one is strong, so it's supposed to take off really harsh makeup. So as you can see, my makeup is really harsh. I'm gonna clean out this side of my face because my little monster girl is like blank here. So all I have to do, take it, shake it about, give it a shake, it'll turn white. Place it on your cotton pad. I should take off my lashes. Ah! And my bottom lashes as well. I should have took off my lashes before this. Look at this! It removed my makeup so effortlessly and without a trace, and my skin is feeling really soft, and this oil cleanser is so gentle and I really love it to remove my makeup. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!